Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you ungraded review. So what actually is ungraded? Guys, ungraded is a drone stock footage hub. There you can find 25,000 plus high quality readily available videos. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this product ungraded. I'm going to show you also the pricing. Okay, lift up your project with amazing drone stock footage from Ungraded. Guys, if you are a content creators, social media marketers and videographers, you must need drone footage, and drone footage price is very high, but Ungraded will provide very high quality drone footage, but the price is very low. How you can access their drone footage less cost? I'm going to show you everything, guys. Okay, when you go to the ungraded members area, here is the ungraded members area. We provide filmmakers and content creators with the best aerial footage, browse footage to start searching. Here you can find out anything, any type of keyword you can search, guys. Like I search here NASA, and I'm searching NASA, and I find the NASA drone footage. What footage I like, and what type of footage you need to complete your project, you can find out from here. And I choose this one, guys. When I open it, and you can see the price is 119 euro. So this is very high price, but I'm going to show you guys the options. There you can find low price but the same footage. Okay, and you can go the link in my video description below, and go here on the appsumo.com. Here you can find the ungraded lifetime deal, and the plans. One is one time purchase $49, only $49, but here you can one footage they will charge 119 euro. But here is, you can see, guys, 2 credit, that means 2 video you can download from this website. If you purchase this plan 1, only 49 bucks, but this plan 1 will save you lots of money. Okay, that's why this is the best, guys. And if you also want 10% discount, then you can click the link in my video description below. If you purchase this footage through via my link, guys, you will get 10% discount. And here is, you can see 2 credits, one time use only. And if you purchase plan 2, if you are a professional, then you must need lots of footage. That's why you can see lots of code. 10 codes is here, where I am just going to jump the 10 codes. Here's the 10 codes, guys. I'm just 10 codes going to jump the 10 code number 10s. And here is, you can see the plan 10 is 20 credits, one time use, $419. But if you purchase one by one from this ungraded website here, they will charge 119 euro from every footage. So I am going to share, I already share, guys, these options, and I think this will help you to save you money and also time. And here is, you can see 20 credits only. And here is the plan number 2 is 4 credit, that means 4 video, 20 credit, that means 20 drone stock video you can download from these websites, guys. Okay, and what type of footage you need, you can search by category: NASA, travel, agriculture, city. I'm just click here city, and which city drone footage you need, you can find out anything, guys. Here is the country bases like Croatia, Netherlands, Portugal, Israel, Greece, Bangladesh, Germany, United States, Spain, and all the countries you can see. I want to footage from KSA, that means Saudi Arabia. Where is the KSA? But I want to footage, guys, from this country like Turkey. Okay, like Turkey, and here is you can see the Turkey's footage. So no problem, where are you from and what type of project, what type of footage, drone footage you need. You can see everything is here. Here's the demographic, guys. Okay, here's the demographic but no result. Here's the region, country. I just open it, I just close it out. Demographic. Here is the natural, city, and travel. I just search the travel, guys. Okay, you can see the travel related photos. I just close all of these, and oh yeah, this is the coming. And you open any kind of footage, any footage you open, you can see the price is $119, 19 euros, sorry. Guys, I'm going to show you the 3 reviews. They purchased this footage and nice interface and footage. This is the first review, and second review is big catalog, needed to create an account but it was worth it. Great footage. Also they claim this is the great footage, but you can spend money. And great content. Here is you can see Ungraded has what we are looking for. Really like all the aerial content on this site, and even more the smooth search navigation, easy and fast processing. Redeeming the code, we will definitely buy more codes or maybe plan soon. So guys, I recommend when you purchase this Ungraded footage, you can click the link. If you want to purchase, you can click the link in my video description below. You will get 10% off. Also you can save hundreds of thousands dollars money if you purchase this from appsumo.com. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate drone videos, drone footage. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, you. Thank you. See you soon my next video.